Hey everybody, welcome to a craft tutorial. Today we are going to make the ever popular slime. So what you need for your slime is a bowl to mix it in, something to mix it with. This is an old fork that I'm using, so I'm not going to reuse it ever. Some school glue, you can use pretty much any brand. I'm going to add glitter to mine, you guys can add all sorts of fun things. And a little bit of detergent, which we're going to use as our activator. So first thing you're going to do is open your glue. And you're going to pour all of your glue into your bowl. And you guys can use as much glue as you want. I'm just going to use one bottle for this one. But if you want more slime, you use more glue. And we're just going to get it all out of the bottle. And you can use colored glue, glitter glue. There's clear glue that you can do these with too. And you can add food coloring if you want, but since I'm going to use this glitter, I'm going to leave it to be white slime because I want it to show that blue glitter really well. So we're just going to get all this glue out. And you don't have to get every ounce of it out, just as much as you can. And like I said, you don't have to use the Elmer's. You can use, this is just an off-brand from our local craft store. They had it on sale. So that's probably good. So we're going to go ahead and put our glue over here. And the next thing you need to add is your detergent. And you don't want to add a ton of it. You just want to add a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to pour a little bit into the cap. And what we're going to do is just pour a little bit into our glue. Like I said, you don't want to use a ton because you're going to have to add as you go. And then you're just going to stir. And you'll feel it start to get less sticky and gluey as you go. But this is why you don't want to add too much at once, because you're going to need to add just a little bit so that you can get the right consistency. So we're going to add a little bit more. And hold tight 1 second. There's a goo in mine. Okay. And you can feel it getting less sticky and wanting to clump together more as you go. See how it's starting to clump? And that's what we want it to do. So keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. And as you mix more glue in, you'll see that it got a little less clumpy. So we're going to add a little bit more detergent. And you'll see it's kind of getting a blue hue to it. That's why you got to watch which kind of detergent you use, because that can change the color. So if you put food coloring in here, it would maybe possibly change the color a little bit. So just keep mixing, and you'll see it's starting to really form now. You can see it's getting a little less glue-like. And we're just going to put some more detergent in. But that's why you do this in little small doses, because you don't want to over-activate it, because if you do, you're not going to end up with slime. And actually, let me pull my rings off, because you're going to end up putting your hands in this. So make sure you're not wearing any jewelry. Because you don't want to get that stuck on your rings and things like that. So now, see how it's starting to really slime up? Now we are going to add just a little bit more detergent to this. Ooh, that was a lot. And we're going to get our hands in there. Sometimes at the end it just takes getting your hands in there and really mixing it up. Make sure you do wash your hands after this, because you don't want detergent hands. But see how it's so sticky? We're just going to keep mooshing it around. Y'all, this is not my favorite craft I've ever done. I did this because you asked for it, and ugh, you guys all owe me. This is gross. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't understand the whole slime craze, but hey, if you guys want to know how to make slime, we will tell you how to make slime. Ugh. You can see how sticky it still is. I may need to borrow the husband to put a little more detergent in this. Oh, husband, could you pour a little detergent in here? I can't touch the detergent bottle. Just a little, husband.
fine.
That's good. We'll see how that goes. Now, there are other activators you can use. You can actually buy a Nickelodeon brand one at the craft store, or you can buy Borax Works. I don't like the Borax because I have pets, so I don't like to use anything that's like really chemical. There's other stuff you can buy. There's one, I can't remember, Stay something. Purex makes it. But you can just use detergent. I'm going to need a little more detergent, sir. We're getting there, though. This is the worst part, is just trying to get it activated because it's so sticky. You can keep going. This is going to be quite a bit. There you go. And I will say, have a partner because you don't want to touch your detergent bottle when you're covered in slimy, goopy goo. Y'all, I don't understand this stuff. I don't get the appeal. This is so gross. I just feel like goo hands. Oh, you all. Tell me why you put up with this from your children in the comments below, because I don't understand it. This is beyond my understanding, guys. I just, ew. Like, I feel like this is going to get all over everything, everywhere, and just be an absolute insane mess. I mean, I'm getting somewhere. I'm making progress. We're getting slimier. I'm going to need some more detergent. Because apparently this takes way more detergent than I had anticipated. But look, we're getting somewhere. We're making progress. We're getting slimier. I still just don't understand this, guys. You're going to have to explain this to me. Like, what is your favorite slime? Do you like the fluffy slime? Is that less messy than this? Because I feel like this is just messy. And I feel like I should have used a bigger bowl. Do you guys like to add lots of mix-ins for the... so it's not so goopy? I don't get it, guys. Someone explain this slime craze to me, please. Oh, look, guys. We're getting somewhere now. Now I feel like we're making progress. Now it's getting slightly less disgusting. Only slightly, because I still think this stuff is gross. Yeah, it's like getting semi-less sticky. I mean, it's still sticky as all get out, but look. Look, guys, it's getting there. All right. There's a little more detergent in the bowl, so let me grab that and see if we can do a little crazy mixing here and see if we can get it all mixed in. Oh, I just feel like this stuff is going to be on my hands for the rest of my life, guys. I don't get it. What's your favorite slime recipe, guys? Because this one, I just used the simple one, and I'm semi-regretting it right now because this is gross. We're going to add a little bit more detergent. I think once we do that, I think we'll be on to something because it's starting to stick to itself a little more than it's sticking to me. So we'll just, again, have our lovely assistant put a little more detergent in there. That's good. Thank you, lovely assistant. Oh, now, yes. See, now I think we're working with something. I can feel it becoming less slimy. Now, when you guys do your slimes, do you like to add colors? Do you like to add glitter or beads or those little foam balls? I think those make it like really fun. They remind me of, if any of you are my age, you'll remember Floam from Nickelodeon back in the day. That stuff was the best. And GAC. I think this is kind of like a GAC thing. Back before, you know, we had the internet and didn't know how to make it. And you couldn't find a million YouTube videos on how to make it. We had GAC. Y'all, this I don't understand. Why do kids want to make this? I mean, why? Why do parents want to make this? Ugh. I am just, maybe I'm just not meant to play with goopy things. I don't know. I was never really a big slime fan as a kid either. When we had GAC, I didn't enjoy playing with it. I truly did not. Of course, my lovely assistant put the lid on the detergent. I just need like a little more. Lovely assistant. So like I said, this is why you kind of put it in a little bit at a time. Just because if you overactivate it, you're going to end up with like a bunch of goop. And I'm sorry about all the noise. I have cats and a dog, so they're chasing each other. We'll see. Don't go far, lovely assistant. And y'all, in case you're wondering, this is honest to God the first time I've ever made slime. And a lot of the stuff you see on my videos, it's the first time I've ever done it. So you guys get to learn with me. And this is honestly, I don't think I'm a real fan of this video. And you guys should all owe me a big thank you for this one. Because, oh, I'm so grossed out. You have no idea, y'all. I am not a goo person. This is very not fun for me. But look, I'm thinking we're almost there. I've watched a lot of videos, y'all, so I know when it starts doing this, we're close to where we need to be. Let me see if I can get any more of that detergent that's hiding in the jar here. Oh, you guys, why? Why did I agree to this? Oh, but look. Look. I think we're there. We are very nearly there. Lovely assistant, may I have some more detergent? Apparently, I just need to learn to add detergent, because I'm just afraid to add too much, and apparently you just need a lot. Okay, I'm just pouring in there. I'm going to be a little more than that. Alright, should be good. Now I have heard, and you guys will have to let me know, because you guys are the slime experts, not so much me, whether when you add the borax, if it activates better, or whether you like the detergent activator, or the store-bought activators. This is just gross. I am not a fan of this, guys. And I think alright, let's see. Oh, hey. Hey. Look at this, guys. Oh, it's making the slime noise. I think we have officially got slime. I just got to get all the sticky stuff off my hands and mixed into the not so sticky slime. And then once we do that, we will have official slime. So for future reference, it does take quite a bit of detergent. I don't know how much borax it takes, but I imagine it takes less. So for future reference, if you don't want to use a boatload of detergent, use borax. It is still a little bit sticky, but I think the more we knead it and get all of the oils from our hands on it, it will become a little less goopy. But as you can see, it's coming off my hands pretty well. This is still some of the stuff that hasn't been mixed in very well because it's been stuck to my hands. So we're going to get it mixed in a little bit better. I get the kneading now, and I know why you now have to do it. Ugh. Ugh, guys. Ugh. Guys, I just, why? Why is this a thing? And why do kids like this? Because this is not a fun thing for me. No, I don't like this one bit. This feels just disgusting. Clearly, I should not ever have children if this is a thing they like. Because let me tell you, it just wants to stick to me, and I don't understand why. Every slime video I see, they're not sticking, and I think I just... Oh, y'all. Ugh. Guys, why? Why did you all want to see this? Did you just want to torture me? Oh, this is horrible. I hope you're all enjoying my misery. This is why I stick to like CRICUT and other not messy crafts, because ew. This is not a thing I enjoy, y'all. It's just not. My husband's probably over here laughing at me because he knows I don't like dirty things like this. I don't like mushy things. I just don't. This is not something I particularly enjoy. Oh, but look at this, guys. After much work and much disgusting, I believe we have achieved slimage. So I'm guessing that I just didn't use enough detergent the first couple times. So definitely put a lot of detergent in here. And I'm going to go ahead and get this all mooshed back together because I got a little more detergent out of the bowl. And then we're going to add in our glitter. And I am not going to put this on my countertop. I will put this right back in this bowl. to add the glitter. I'm going to get it all off my hands first. Hold on. Just a moment. Oh, y'all. Oh, this is pure torture for me. Okay. It's as good as that's getting. Oh, there's still gooey, sticky parts on me. Oh, guys. I don't get it. I don't. I now understand how this gets stuck in kids' hair. I truly do. We're just going to add glitter because why not, right? I'm using blue glitter because it's what I had. And I feel like now I'm going to have glitter hands. Yeah, I'm going to end up with glitter hands from this. How? Seriously. I couldn't do this with kids, guys. I would feel like this would just get everywhere. Like, don't you think? Could I be crazy? Oh, look at that, though. Hey, we added the glitter, and it actually is not nearly as sticky. All right. So, lesson learned from this video. First time making slime, be prepared because it's gross. Make sure you use a lot of detergent because there's really not like a formula for it. It definitely just depends, and I've noticed it kind of, depending on the videos, it seems to depend on the kind of detergent you use. So I used like a Tide Simple, but I've seen people just use the regular Tide, and I don't think they needed as much detergent as I just did. So it may just be the type of detergent you use. I have heard Tide does work the best, so I did use the Tide. Alright guys, here is our, our slime. I am disgusted and grossed out, and I hope you all know this, and I hope you all appreciate this because this is gross, and I never want to do slime again. But I will say, it wasn't super hard to do, it was just gross. I mean, it's gross. I don't like it. If you guys have any other tutorial requests, let me know below, and if it's slime, I'm not doing it again. I'm just not. If you have any questions, also let me know down below. I'm always happy to answer them for you. And please subscribe to my channel because you can watch me do other gross craft tutorials. Because this one, no. Never, ever, ever again, people. Never. Make sure you click the bell icon because I post new videos all the time and that will let you know when they come out. Have a great day.